The smart bag trick. Mr. Jones decided to go to the mountains for a holiday. He got on a train and found a good seat near the window. While the train was moving, the wind blew off his hat. Mr. Jones wanted to get it back, but the train didn't stop. Then he had an idea. He quickly took his bag and threw it out of the window too. The people on the train were surprised. They asked, "Why did you throw your bag out?" Mr. Jones smiled and said, "My name and address are on the bag. When someone finds it, they will see my name and send me the bag. And my hat too."